Hello, I'm Nick Poulin, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a fine cased pair of 50 caliber pill lock holster pistols by Charles Moore. This interesting case set of pill lock holster pistols have 9-inch swamped octagon barrels made of nicely patterned stubbed Damascus with underribs and are engraved with the top flat bearing the maker's 77th St. James Street address that was used from 1825 through 1842. The cased hardened patent breeches have an inset platinum poinçon with the C. Moore London patent marking all under a crown. The breeches have vented platinum blowouts and are fitted with bases having cups to receive the pills or pellets of the priming compound. The locks have flat plates and are fitted with pivoting levers. One end of each lever has a platinum seal that covers the pill recess. The base portion is shaped so that the fall of the hammer cams the cover out of the way, allowing the firing pin to strike the pellets. The flat-faced hammer is filed with a protrusion to move the lever system, and the head has interchangeable firing pins, and the retaining spring is on the inner side of the nose. The locks are also fitted with back-sliding safeties that engage at half cock, and the locks, hammers, and other parts are nicely engraved with an open scroll within a feather border on the plates. The plates are also engraved with the C. Moore London marking under the feather spring. The trigger plates have pineapple finials, and the guards have a scroll engraving on the bows with the serial number on the tangs. They are stocked with root walnut stocks having flat checkered bag grips and horn tips that are attached to the barrels with the captive side bolts through oval silver escutcheons. The rosewood ramrods have brass tips and tails mounted through a single plane pipes and well-fitted steel thimbles. The pistols are housed in their original mahogany case with the dueling pivoting hook closure and flush-mounted circular D-ring handle. The interior is lined in green with a large paper Charles Moore St. James Street label in the lid over another label. The condition on this outstanding set of pistols rates very fine, with the barrels retaining nearly all of their original brown finish with an excellent definition to the pattern. The stocks retain most of their original finish, and the multi-grooved rifle bores show very fine. A truly outstanding set of pill lock holster pistols by Charles Moore that would be befitting of the finest of collections. If you like this video and want to learn more about interesting and unique antique firearms, then visit our website at poulinauctions.com. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, stay safe, and send it downrange.